Ever hit the cruise control button and nothing happens? Here's what I wish I knew before making a trip to the dealership. Let's figure out what's stopping your CX-5's cruise control. First, double-check the basics. Is your foot resting on the brake pedal? Even the slightest tap can cancel cruise control. Also, make sure your seatbelt is fastened. Some Mazdas won't engage cruise control unless you're buckled up. Next, look at your dashboard. Any warning lights on? If you see the check engine or traction light, cruise control might be disabled until the problem's fixed. Check your car's fuses. A blown fuse for the brake lights or cruise system can stop everything. Your owner's manual will show you which fuse to check. If you have an older CX-5, sticky brake pedal switches are a common culprit. Gently press and release the brake a few times to see if that frees it up. Still not working? Try restarting your car. Sometimes it really is just a quick reset. If all else fails, it's time to get a professional opinion. A trusted mechanic or Mazda dealer can run a diagnostic and pinpoint the issue. So before you panic, check these simple things first. You might just save yourself a trip to the shop.